Hey there! Today I'm building a deck, and I'm using HART's brushless drill driver to get the job done. On larger projects like this, brushless tools are a must. With brushless, you get more power, longer runtime, and longer motor life. With this drill, you get more power with 550 inch-pounds of torque. And in case you didn't already know, torque is twisting power. You get longer runtime with it being able to drill over 400 holes on one charge. That's enough for me to drill all the pilot holes for these deck boards. Pro tip, to speed things up, use HART's brushless impact driver for fastening, like I'm doing here. You can get this separately or as part of a combo kit with the drill. Its half-inch metal ratcheting chuck will hold on to all your bits like a vise, even through the heaviest duty jobs. No matter which HART 20-volt tool you have, they're all powered by one battery. You know the drill. You can only get this and all other HART tools at Walmart. One more thing. Check out my brushless circular saw video to see how I cut all the boards for this deck build. Until next time.